Final question. If anyone left the band, would you call yourselves Maroon 4? I see. I won't be quoting you on that.
Has DJ left for her conference yet? Yes, and she looked adorable. She had the cutest turned-edge leather band mirroring binder a girl's ever seen. Maybe one day you'll have a conference binder of your own. A girl can dream. Why would head office send DJ away the day before Sherrie Overwood's performance? Sherrie Overwood. I should give those guys a piece of my mind.
Do it. Some corporate lackeys in there right now.
He's about to regret he ever set foot in this place. Listen, bub. Sherrie Overwood's performing here tomorrow, and DJ should be here to help, not some corporate clown.
Oh, really?
Except for maybe you, Daddy. Watching the time pass, can't wait to get out and hang out with my friends. Find out what's new, who's crushing on who, and it's never true. It's a whole new scene in the pages of my magazine. The latest buzz, I wanna know what is, not what. It's what's in and what's out, I'm done and find out what everyone's talking about. The latest buzz, I wanna know just because. What good, what should I wear? The coolest way to cut my hair, the latest buzz. Daddy!
Tomorrow night's concert is big. With DJ gone, who better to be Miss Overwood's liaison than me?
A liaison? Ew, that sounds like some sort of foot infection.
No, honeybee. A liaison makes sure a star gets everything they need.
Let me do that! I know all about getting everything I need.
No, this is someone else getting what they need.
Please, I promise I can handle this.
Oh, very well. Just don't go overboard with excitement.
Thank you, Daddy.
Ernie C. High needs a couple of good men. Shaggy-haired men. Well-dressed men.
And you want us to help you find these men? I'm on it.
No. What we need is good men to stop a spitballer from firing phlegm-filled gobs of goo. Ew. Ew, indeed. 4 hall monitors quit this week because of this guy. I want to know who's in.
This school has seen its last ball of spit. Hooligans, gobs of goo. I'm still not seeing a perks, Mr. Shepherd. Oh, Dick! I'm in!
Want me to edit your Maroon 5 article?
As long as I get to edit your little snack.
What's wrong with it?
Where to begin, R? It's the same color as the plate. White is not a flavor.
It's healthy.
It's lame, and you are what you eat.
Then you must have had jerk chicken for lunch.
Oh, snap. Let's say we spice things up a bit, huh?
The guy on the bottle has fire coming out of his eyes.
Come on, R, you'll love it. Here comes the choo-choo train down the track. Choo-choo-choo-choo, woo-woo. Huh? Huh?
Not bad. A little spicy, but... Noah, you made me get the hiccups.
It's not my fault you caved to peer pressure.
Look at you. When I was your age, I ran a lemonade stand. Of course, I then organized a hostile takeover of all the other stands and opened a small lemonade plant.
Which eventually became Pierce's Sour Pucker Lemonade and Lemon-Related Products, Inc.
Go get him, honeybee.
Amanda Pierce at your service. You've got a full schedule ahead. Hair, makeup, photo shoot, judging a pig race, tutoring. And judging a pig race? It's great exposure. People love pigs. Then it's dinner and a radio interview. Aw, shoot. That's another meal I gotta eat in the car. Just a sec. Hello, Burger Barn? Amanda Pierce here. I need you to shut down the restaurant for a couple hours. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Finally, a liaison who gets me. Call me if you need anything. 24 hours a day, I'll be there for you. Think of me as your right-hand gal. Thanks, doll. So, this Burger Barn, does it have curly really fast? Oh, yeah. 32. 18.
We've located the perpetrator. Over.
Perpetrator? What did I do?
Noise pollution, disturbance of the peace, dog noises. Care to explain?
I have the...
Is that so, little lady? Who claims to have the hiccups?
what are you writing? Stop writing.
You have to ask her to calm down, man. Monitor's under fire. I repeat, monitor's under fire. Confirmed visual on the spitballer. I'm in pursuit.
As my partner pursues the guy with the golden goober, I ask myself, Wilder, why are you still writing? Sing Polly Wolly Doodle while hula hooping. Your hiccups will be gone in a jiff.
Come here, you gobblobber.
Don't turn around.